Welcome to the channel. My name is Liz, and today I have a very fun full body strength and conditioning workout for you, because before I am a personal trainer, what I am in my core is a Swiftie. So in honor of the royal engagement, I made this workout to be completely Taylor Swift themed, and I'm so excited about it. It is still a very well-rounded full body workout. You can do this workout inside, outside. All you need for this workout are long loop resistance bands and a way to attach them at waist height. I am using the hooks on my wall that I've drilled into a stud, but you can also use a door anchor. This transforms every single door into an adjustable cable machine. Highly recommend picking up one of these guys. So if you're not a Swiftie, you can just follow along and ignore the references. But if you are, it's gonna be really fun. Make sure you press play on the playlist linked below. Make sure you warm up before. I'll link something here. Come back to this video and we will get right into it. All right, we of course have 13 exercises to get through. So get ready. As the first exercise, we're doing good mornings. I call them welcome to the workout / New York good mornings, okay? Starting on the band like this, getting underneath and hooking the resistance band up and over on your traps, not your neck. So you're gonna get comfortable here. Have a good pull on the band. It should be decently heavy. You're gonna tuck your pelvis under, hinge at the hips, feel the stretch in the back of your legs, and then stand up, working all the posterior chain. Ready? Let's go. Push the hips back. Only go as far as you can push your hips back. So I don't care how low your head goes. I care about the proper hinge, feeling the pull at this top part, and feeling your low back and hamstrings really work here. Perfect. Whew. Getting out of this, we are going to switch to some upper body. A little archer rows. So standing on probably a lighter band, but find your perfect resistance here. We're going to pull up, palms facing us, elbows going out. It is my goal of this video to not sing at you, so I really apologize if that happens. Shoulders down, elbows out, really feeling the shoulders work here. Amazing. All right, next we're going to glutes, because you know what's better than revenge? Glutes. Getting a heavier resistance band here. We're going to do B stance RDLs. Standing up tall, kicking one leg back, hooking the band under the other, and we are going back to that hinge, but now we have it mostly on one leg, most of your weight on the leg that the band is under, and really focusing on stretching the glute and coming back to stand. So this is much heavier than the good morning because of where the resistance is. All right, so all we're gonna do is switch legs. So I really want you to make sure there is no slack on the band. So if you have your band like this and you're going down and there's slack here, I want you to grab closer to your foot and make sure that when you're at the lowest point, it is still super heavy, so your glutes are still working. And your glutes give you that good revenge, that good karma. You got this. Awesome. Now we're going to that door anchor. So again, it's hooked up when you're standing at around waist or hip height. We are gonna kneel on the ground, pull out a ring, facing away from the door anchor, hooking the band on one hand, and pressing out in front of us for a single arm chest press. Again, make sure there is tension on the band. So if there's slack, move away from the door anchor or grab further back on the band so that you can have tension even right here, working the chest, stretching the muscle, and using it properly to build this chest strength. Good. Let's switch sides. So all you have to do, other leg goes up. And this isn't really a Taylor Swift thing, but you know those like bad proposal posture? We're not that, okay? We are Travis Kelce, straight up and down, strong core. Actually, he was on both knees, I think. We'll get to that later. Tuck your pelvis under so that you have such a strong base for all this instability with your upper body. Good. Awesome. Okay, now grab a heavier band and put it in your door anchor for some squat jump then falls. Putting the band on your back like this. We're gonna jump away, pressing away from the door anchor, adding a little more core, a little more muscle engagement for a squat jump. So lean back into that band. Let it help you press away from the door. You got this. 10 seconds left. Ooh. Whew, okay. Next, get a lighter band, put it in your door anchor. I'm calling these the Joe Alwyns because we're gonna get in a tall kneeling stance like this and just say, come back, Taylor, come back for this elevated bicep curl. Elbows up. Bringing the band to your nose, catching your breath from those jumps. Just pretend you're Joe. Biggest regret of his life. Come back. There we go. Awesome. All right, and you know, we are at the bridge of the workout. So we're gonna do some glute bridges, single leg glute bridge, the queen of bridges. So you can either bring one leg crossed like this or have that leg elevated up in the air. We're gonna press into that single leg on the mat, working the glute in the shortened position. You got this. Keep going. Good. All we're gonna do is switch legs. So if you're feeling it more on the top of your leg, your quad, your foot might be too close to your glutes. And if you're feeling it more of your hamstrings, your foot is too far. So find that sweet spot where it just feels like your glutes are gonna fall off. You got this. Keep going. We couldn't not do some bridges. The cruel summer glute bridge. Yeah, that's what I'll call it. Good. Let's stand up. Next, we are gonna bolt. Okay? You are the bolter for these next 40 seconds. You are going to hook your resistance band around your waist and do some banded sprints. As fast as you can. Ten seconds, keep going. Next, we have 2 timed exercises. These exercises are both body weight, so no more bands for this. We are just gonna hold them for 87 seconds. Get it? Love. So our first exercise, wall sit. Find a wall, something you can push your weight against, a post, something sturdy. Get into that nice wall sit position. I'll let you know when we're starting. So how you find that is leaning up against a wall, getting your hips to knee height. All right, be honest with yourself. We're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So get low, press your low back in the mat, or in the wall. Press your shoulders back. Everything should be against the wall, feeling your entire spine press against it. You should feel your quads on fire, all right, already. From 2 seconds in, you should feel your quads on. Press into your heels, not just your toes, okay? Lift those toes, get the heels pressing into the ground. If you are seeing your toes in front of your knees, bring your toes in, all right? We are halfway. All right, don't give up now. 87 seconds, almost a minute and a half, but you can do it. We're doing it once. We can do it. You only have 30 seconds left, and that's it. Keep going. Lift your hands if you need to. Try not to press into your legs. Try and keep those hands elevated to really just burn out the quads. 20 seconds left. You got this. Keep going. You're sitting at the restaurant. Ready? 5, 3, 2, 1, done. Exercise 2 is a plank. All right, so choose the plank that you can do today. Do it from your hands like this. If that is hurting your wrist today, go from your forearms. You can do an elevated plank to alleviate some of the body weight to make it a little easier. We are gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 87 seconds. Push up between your shoulder blades, butt down. I am in this with you. Go from your knees if you'd like. That's another great modification. But if you're on your knees, make sure you're not up here. All right, hips are still down, even if you are doing the modified plank, and even if you're on your elbows, okay? So take the butt down. This is not a down dog. This is your core exercise. This is the 13th exercise of the workout. So we are done after this. No surprise. No surprise singles, no double album. We are halfway, okay? Press up between your shoulder blades. I feel it too. I feel the shakes. Shake it off. That one just came to me. Keep going, keep going. You got this. 20 seconds left, all right? Zone out. Just hold this. You can do it. Strong body. Squeeze your quads. Work your entire body. Only 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Done. We are done. Good job. If you want to make this longer, feel free to begin again. Do the whole thing over, double up your circuit, triple up your circuit. Make this workout as long as you want to. If you are looking for more resistance band workouts for strength training at home or anywhere, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you never miss a workout. And also, I have made my own online studio, Band Bar Studios, with even more workouts, challenges, programs, everything else. Have a great day. See you next time on the mat.